Hello students, today's video is very important for the students of NEET 2020. In this video, we consider 20 most expected questions for NEET 2020. So students carefully study all these 20 questions, right? Now let's begin. Question number 1, the study of individual organism in relationship with its environment is called. Your option: synecology, monoecology, auticology, and ecology. Second question: select the incorrect response from the following. Your options in relation to the homologous and analogous structure, right? And I hope you know very well the difference between the homologous and analogous structures. So your options: forelimbs of the whale and bat, they are the homologous. Second option: thorns and tendrils of cucurbits and bougainvillea are the homologous. Third option: flippers of the penguin and dolphin are the homologous. Fourth option: sweet potato and potato are the analogous structures. So you trace the incorrect response on the basis of homologous and analogous structures. Question number 3. The true breeding lines are: first, plants undergo discontinuous self-pollination and stable trait inheritance. Second, plants undergo continuous self-pollination and stable trait inheritance. Third, plants undergo continuous self-pollination and unstable trait inheritance. Fourth, plants undergo continuous cross-pollination and stable trait inheritance. Fourth, again incorrect match. First, PPLO, their size about 0.1 micrometer. Second, inclusion bodies, Cyanophycean granules. Third, fimbriae help the bacteria to attach with rocks. Fourth, RBC membrane, the human being, 52% lipids and 20% protein. Now the matching question. Here there are two columns. Column A contain various cell organelles and column B or second having the functions. Now you have to study very carefully the column 1 and column 2 and match the correct function with the cell organelles. The cell organelles like lysosomes, cytoskeleton, vacuoles, Golgi apparatus, etc. While in column second, their functions: number 1, synthesis of the glycoprotein and the glycolipids; second, excretion; third, nucleic acid digestion; and fourth, motility. Right? So you have to mention A, B, C, D with 1, 2, 3, 4. Your options: first 1, 2, 4, 3; B option 3, 4, 2, 1; C option 4, 2, 1, 3; and D option 4, 2, 1, 3, 4. Now question number 6. Select the correct statement from the followings. Now here 4 statements and you have to select the correct ones. Statement number 1. Nucleolus is a membrane bound structure. Second, in Snapdragon, one allele is completely dominant over the other allele. Third, chromatin contains DNA and some neutral protein, histone, some non-histone proteins, and also the RNA. Fourth, transcribed mRNA has base complementarity to the tRNA adapter molecule. Now, first option A 1, 3, and 4. Second option 3, 2, and 4. C option 1 and 4. And D option is 2 and 4. Now, seventh question again is a matching question. Right? Column first and column second. Column A having A, B, C, D. These are related to the DNA, right? HGP, Human Genome Project. Now the column first, A, repetitive DNA, B, polymorphism, C, satellite DNA, and D, sequence annotation. Column B, having the related information. First, tracing, coding and non-coding sequences. Second, specific DNA sequences. Third, genetic mapping. And fourth, tiny DNA fragments. Right? So, match A, B, C, D with 1, 2, 3, 4. A option 2, 3, 1, 4. B option 3, 1, 2, 4. C option 2, 3, 4, 1. And D option 3, 2, 1, 4. Now eighth, cell plate represent. Cell plate that is formed during the cell division at the time of cytokinesis. So that cell plate represent first option primary cell wall of the two adjacent cells. Second option, secondary cell wall of the two adjacent cells. Third option, middle lamella between the walls of the two adjacent cells. And fourth is all of the above. Ninth, triple crown of biology. Very important line, triple crown of biology is related to here three eminent scientists. First option Ernest Mayr, second option Carolus Linnaeus, third option Robert H. Whittaker, and fourth option is none of the above. Now the question number 10 is related to the diagram. So it's a diagrammatic question, right? So first you identify this diagram, then you can match with the giving choices. The structure A show the analogy with your option roots of alfalfa species, B roots of sweet clover, C roots of the sweet pea, and it's a D all of the above. 11th question, which is commonly called Drosophila of the plant kingdom, is a very important line for the NEET. Drosophila of the plant kingdom. Here you have four choices of the fungus. Number 1, Marcella. Second, Neurospora. Third, Rhizopus. And fourth, Claviceps. 12th question. Hidden hunger can be overcome by which nutrient combination? First option, Arhar, calcium and Rohu. B, Rohu, moon and sulfur. C, soybean, Katla and iodine. And D, gram, pomfret and magnesium. Now the Question number 13. Transformant characters in the transgenic plant like maize is or are. First option, high aspartic acid and low tryptophan. Second option, low nitrogen content and high sugar content. Third option, high lysine, tryptophan and nitrogen content. Fourth is high aspartic acid, low sugar and nitrogen content. Question 14. Prolife is a very important word. Prolife molecule for the human being is A. Streptokinase, B. Statin, C. Ampicillin, D. Acetic acid. Question number 15. Here we have three different techniques: histopathological technique, second CT scan, and third is MRI. So, in relation to these techniques, above mentioned techniques are frequently used to detect the cancerous cells in the body, which techniques sensitively detect the pathological and physiological changes in the living tissue, right? So, you correlate these three techniques with the sensitively detection of pathological and physiological changes in the living tissues. A. First only, B. Second only, C. Third only, and so D. All first, second, and third. Question number 16. Nutritive competitive innovation is shown by A. Malignant tumors, these are the localized tumor. B. Malignant tumor, they spread from origin to the distant places. C. Both A and B. And D. None of the above. 17 question. The holistic approach refers to A. Understanding the life cycle of the pest and the host. B. Understanding the interaction between the myriad of the organism with field fauna and flora. C. Understanding the field fauna and flora only. D. Understanding the field fauna and agroclimatic factors. Now 18 questions. Arrange the following events in the chronological order and choose the correct option. So you have 5 different events and you arrange all these 5 events in a chronological order. First, second polar body. Second, chorionic villi. Third, cleavage. Fourth, fetal ejection reflex. Fifth, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. A option, first, second, third, fifth, and fourth. B, first, third, fifth, fourth, and second. C, first, third, second, fifth, and fourth. And D, first, second, fifth, third, and fourth. Now the 19th question is the matching question. Column A having primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, primary follicle, secondary follicle. And the column B having the specific characteristics in relation to these 4 statements. Right? So first characteristic, cell with granulosa layer. Second, cell arrested at prophase first. Third, cell with theca, and fourth, cell complete its meiosis first. All these 4 specific characteristics is related to primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, primary follicle, and secondary follicle. A, second, first, fourth, and third. B, first, third, fourth, and second. C, second, fourth, first, and third. And D, first, fourth, third, and second. Question number 20 is a diagrammatic question and it's a very important question. The giving diagram show the important events of the embryogenesis in the human female body. Arrange all these events in the chronological order and select the correct option from the following four choices. So A, B, C, D, these are the different stages of development of fetus in the human female body. A option ADCD, B CDAB, C ACDB, and D CADB. Right? So this is all about the important questions for NEET 2020. Right? Go through all these questions and finally you check your score with this answer key. Okay? Good luck, students.